Ever wondered why the sea, usually so tranquil and serene, can suddenly morph into a monstrous, destructive force known as a tsunami? Well, today we're diving into the deep, tumultuous world of tsunamis, unraveling their causes, effects, and possible solutions. Tsunamis are born from the Earth's constant movement. The Earth's crust, or lithosphere, is split into numerous large and small pieces, known as tectonic plates. These plates don't just sit still, they're always moving, albeit at a pace slower than the growth of your fingernails. But when these plates collide or slip past each other under the ocean, they can cause earthquakes. If the earthquake is strong enough, it displaces vast amounts of water, pushing it upwards. This displaced water forms the initial wave of a tsunami. It's a bit like dropping a stone into a pond and watching the ripples spread out, but on a much larger scale. So what happens when a tsunami hits land? The effects can be cataclysmic. As the tsunami nears the coastline, the shallow ocean floor slows the front of the wave, causing it to rise up into a towering wall of water. When it crashes onto land, it can cause extensive flooding, erode beaches, and damage infrastructure. More than just physical damage, tsunamis also have a profound human cost. They can tragically result in loss of life and displacement of communities. The aftermath of a tsunami often includes health crises, economic difficulties, and long-term environmental issues like salinity intrusion and loss of arable land. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are solutions and preventative measures in place to mitigate the impact of tsunamis. Early warning systems, for instance, have been instrumental in saving lives. These systems detect the initial seismic activity that can lead to a tsunami, providing crucial time for people to evacuate to higher ground. Infrastructure also plays a key role in limiting damage. Seawalls and breakwaters can lessen the impact of the waves, while well-planned evacuation routes and safe zones can protect communities. Education, too, is vital. Knowing what to do when a tsunami warning is issued can make the difference between life and death. In conclusion, tsunamis are dramatic reminders of our planet's dynamism and power. They are born from the movement of tectonic plates and can cause widespread destruction when they hit land. But with early warning systems, resilient infrastructure, and education, we can mitigate their impact and protect our communities. So the next time you look out at the sea, remember the unseen forces at work beneath the surface, and know that, while we cannot stop tsunamis from happening, we can equip ourselves to handle them better, because knowledge, as they say, is power.